Hi guys, kamusta kayo? Note that the following videos that I took is spontaneous. Na-notice ko kasi hindi na ako nakapag-vlog and I still want to pursue this hobby of mine. And hindi ko alam kung anong i-video ko. Alam mo yung answer na hidden in plain sight lang. So this vlog is all about me vlogging through my iPhone. So to start the day off, nag-walking ako tuwing umaga. Usually umaabot ako ng 5 kilometer to 6 and this is my everyday view. Nag-walking ako tuwing rest day. 4 times a week kasi ako nag-gym. So, I recently watched this series. Actually, this is an old anime. At nakikita ko to palagi sa mga manga. And I decided to heal my inner child, I guess. I humbly present to you my desk setup. So, nagpalit ako ng monitor. Kaso, I forgot to video it. May pinadala kasi yung kuya ko. This is his old monitor na hindi na ginagamit. Kalimutan kong mag-video sa unboxing kasi medyo na-excite akong mag-replace ng monitor ko. Setup ko, as you can see, it's a bit simple. Kasi hindi naman talaga ako dito nagsistay. And most of the time, nandun ako sa my city. Medyo cramped na kasi yung space doon sa may boarding house. We struggle on electricity kasi medyo mahal yung Noseco. Meron akong laptop and then kinoconnect ko lang siya sa HDMI. Meron akong PC kaso medyo luma na and it's slow. Wala lang. Gusto ko kasi yung mabilis. Kasi medyo mahal yung tawag dito, yung light, yung monitor lamp. May pinadala po dito si kuya ko ng light siya and then what I did was this para ma-deflect yung light sa mismong monitor and hindi masakit sa mata. So, hindi po ako gumagamit ng gaming chair, ergonomic chair. Ito po yung ginagamit ko, rocking chair. Desk setup is currently nasa sala. Anyways, I want to talk about my phone. I'm using this phone for years now and most of the time, ito yung ginagamit ko tuwing may video projects na gagawin sa school and magdo-documentary ako ng tuwing events. So, yung ginagamit ko na iPhone is iPhone SE 2022 and I think it's 3 years old na. I think the cons lang yung phone na to is yung battery niya and maliit yung screen display. Bumili na ako ng mga konting accessories for this iPhone. This one, I got it from Shopee and ginagamitan ko siya ng tripod. Actually, I started with an Android phone. Medyo busy na ako sa schoolwork and I didn't get to like structure talaga yung vlog na to kasi meron na kaming capstone and may upcoming defense ako this May 6. Wish me luck.
So, ngayong araw, hindi ako nakapag-gym. So, let's do some home workouts. Nagamit lang yung mga available equipment na meron ako dito. I started with dumbbell curls, 2 sets to failure. So, the workout is arm focused. So, pagkatapos ko ng bicep curl, punta naman tayo sa hammer curl. For 5 months na nag-gym, I noticed yung body recomposition ko. Especially sa arms na area. Kasi yan yung parati kong hinihit. I just wanna say that the real enemy here is not hitting your protein. Medyo slow kasi yung pag-build ng body ko. It's because I've been eating junk foods and not hitting and tracking my macros. Mistakes were made and I've learned. And as much as possible, I wanna eat high protein meals.
Tapos
Tama pala ka. Kahit may ilang din na.